Hello everyone, welcome. In today's video, I will show you how to use Zillow Rental Manager, a free user-friendly tool designed to help landlords manage rental listings, screen tenants, collect rent, and more. Whether you are new to renting or a seasoned landlord, Zillow Rental Manager can save you time and money all while finding the best tenants. Let's dive in and explore how to list a property, create a lease, and invite tenants to apply. Let's get started. First, go to Zillow.com and click on Manage Rentals. This is right here at the top. If you don't already have an account, create one using your email or connect via Google, Facebook, or Apple. After signing up, answer a few questions, then click Next. Now, here's how you can add property. Enter the street address here, choose the property type from house, condo, townhouse, apartment, and more. And if needed, the unit number. If you're renting out a room, select room for rent. Once that's done, click next and confirm the details. Now, here is how to manage property. From the property management page, you can view all your properties, both active and off market. If you want to send an application link to prospective tenants, just click send link. You will find it here option. You can also print property sheets for showings, which include a QR code for easy online application. So let's talk about creating leases. Under the leases tab, you can create a custom lease using the Zillow Lease Builder. This tool lets you fill out details like landlord and tenant info, rent terms, and special agreements like pet policies. Once created, you can share the lease and store signed versions. Now you can also collect rent. To start collecting rent, go to the payments section and set up the rent amount, due date, and security deposit, and any moving fees. Add your payment details, select whether you are an individual or business, and Zillow will handle the rest. This is the link. I think something is wrong, but this should work. All right. So let's talk about maintenance and repairs. If you need to track repairs or maintenance tasks, head to the maintenance tab, and here you can create tasks, record costs, and stay organized with all your maintenance needs. Now you can also communicate with tenants in the message tab. You'll find any inquiries from applications or messages from tenants. This makes communication easier and keeps everything in one place. And that's it. That's a quick rundown of Zillow Rental Manager. It's a powerful tool for landlords